Hello, good morning, students. Today we are starting Unit 1 Introduction to Packaging. Packaging is a very important part of the food industry. Even if food is produced properly, it can still spoil or get contaminated if packaging is poor. Packaging can help to protect food, maintain quality, increase shelf life, make food easy to transport and sell. So, in this unit, we will learn what packaging is, why it is important, its functions, and different types of packaging. So, first, packaging means covering or enclosing a product using sustainable material so that it remains safe during storage, transport, and sale. In food industry, food packaging protects food from contamination and damage caused by physical factors such as dust, damage, pressure, chemical factors such as oxygen, moisture, and biological factors such as microorganisms like bacteria, fungus, etc. Packaging also helps us to maintain important qualities of food such as taste, color, texture, temperature, and overall satisfactory. So the main purpose of packaging is to protect and preserve food until it reaches the consumer. So now move on to the next point, importance of packaging. Packaging is important for several reasons. First is protection. It protects food from damage during storage and transportation. Second, safety. It prevents contamination from microorganisms, dust, or chemicals. Durability. Strong packaging keeps the product safe for a longer time. After that, aesthetic appeal. Attractive packaging helps to attract customers in the market. And lastly, branding. Packaging helps companies create their brand identity through design, logo, and colors. So packaging is not only protection, it is also a marketing tool. Now move on to the functions of packaging. Packaging performs many important functions. We will discuss one by one. First will be protection. The main function is protecting food from physical, microbial, and environmental factors like light, air, moisture, temperature, humidity, etc. For example, milk packets protects milk from contamination, or jam bottles will protect jam from microbial contamination or other environmental factors. Communication. Packaging also provides information to consumers such as ingredients, nutritional value, expiry date, and instructions for uses. So packaging acts as communication between manufacturer and the consumer. Third will be convenience. Packaging make the product easy to carry, open, use, and store. For example, resealable snack packets. Also, Ziploc bags. They are easy to handle, easy to carry, and easy to open. So they are convenient. Or containment. Packaging keep the product properly contained so it does not spill or leak during storage and transportation. Stacking and storage. Packages are designed so they can be stacked easily in warehouses, shops, supermarkets. This saves space and improves handling. Next will be printed information. Packaging contains important information like ingredients, manufacturing date, expiry date, price, barcode. Barcode help in easy billing and inventory management. Product identification. Packaging help customers to identify the product easily through their brand name, their logo, or their labels. For example, we can easily recognize products like biscuits or chips because of their packaging. Next, move on to the next point, role of food packaging. Food packaging mainly perform three important roles: protection, containment and information. In protection, it protects food from external factors such as microorganisms, dust and moisture. In containment, it keeps the food properly packed so that it is easy to handle and transport. And in information, packaging provides important information about the product to the consumer. So these three roles ensure food safety and quality. So now we will start important point, types of packaging. Packaging is divided into three types. First will be primary packaging. This is the packaging that directly touches the food product. For example, milk pouches, chocolate wrapper, biscuit pack. And what is the purpose of this packaging? To protect the food, prevent contamination and make it easy for consumers to use. It is usually the packaging in which the product is sold to customers. Secondary packaging. It is the outer layer that groups several primary packages together. For example, cardboard box containing many biscuit packs. Makes handling easier, protects primary packaging and helps in storage and transportation. This type of packaging is mainly used in shops and warehouses. Last, there will be tertiary packaging. It is used for bulk transportation of products, for example, pallets, large shipping containers, bulk cartons, etc. Transport large quantities of products, protect products during long distance shipping. This type is mostly used in logistics and distribution. Now, when selecting packaging material, there are several factors which must be considered. Environmental protection. Packaging must protect the food from moisture, light and temperature. Product requirements. The packaging must suit the product type, whether it is solid or liquid. Consumer acceptability. Packaging should be attractive and convenient for consumers. Legal standards. Packaging must follow food safety regulations. Cost effectiveness. The packaging should not be too expensive. Material reactivity. Packaging material should not react with the food. After that, characteristics of packaging material. Good packaging material must have the following properties. First, food safety approval. They must be approved for food use. They should not release harmful chemicals. They should not react with the food. Packaging should not change the taste or smell of food. It should show if the product has been opened or tampered with. It must protect food from moisture, light and temperature. It should resist acids, oils and grease. It must be safe for consumers. Material should be easily available and should be strong and resistant to climatic changes. Thank you.